Welcome to my new apartment. Shall we go? Up first, we have a little work area over here. Little work area with nice little shock tees and clones. We got the fridge down there with literally all that's in it is water right now. Dirty clothes over there that have not been washed. Like I said, little work area. Got my Mac there, got my Spark there, just to have there for whatever reason. Move over here, we have the hats and the hoodies, of course. Then we move to the bed. We got the flare blanket on the bed. Very nice, very cool. Then we move over here, the setup. Peep the setup. It's me, yeah. So yeah, peep the setup. We got the PC, Stream Deck, Go XLR, we got the mic, we got everything we need. And then of course we have the set, where we have all the nice little knickknacks. All the nice little knickknacks that I always have in the background of my stream, right there. Yeah, window, very nice. I can actually have natural light instead of being stuck in a dark corner. We have the Rising of the Shield Hero wall scroll, as per. It is a must. Moving over here, we have the bathroom that we're going to go into. Voila, bathroom. Look, it's me. Yeah, it's a bathroom. There's not that much to... Oh, yeah, I had to zip tie those because I didn't buy rings. Storage space. It's just literally it's just storage and shirts. If you're ever wondering what I smell like, this is what I smell like. That is what I smell like. But yeah, anyways, that's the apartment. I know that some of you asked about an apartment tour at one point. So yeah, here it is with the new place. Okay, bye.